Hello guys, this is Aryan, and in this video I will be sharing 10 lines essay about Saurav Ganguly. Number 1. Saurav Ganguly is a former Indian cricketer. Number 2. He is widely known as Dada. Number 3. He was born on 8th of July 1972. Number 4. He was a left-handed batsman and a right-arm medium-fast bowler. Number 5. Saurav Ganguly made his international debut in 1992. Number 6. He captained the Indian cricket team from 2000 to 2005. Number 7. He retired from international cricket on 10th October 2008. Number 8. He is a role model for many aspiring cricketers. Number 9. His impact on Indian cricket is widely acknowledged. Number 10. He is admired for his fearless attitude. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, kindly subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thank you.